Look at all that snow. I just wiped that off to throw snowballs at the door a few minutes ago, actually. Look at that. I just took handfuls of that snow and was using it to throw snowballs at the window, which melted off the window already. Holy shit. What is this, November 5th or 6th or something like that? Or after? It's Wednesday, November 5th, 6th, something like that. Wow. Look at that. That's a lot of snow. Eh? At least for this time of year around here. It is. Yeah. Tomato plants done. They're done. But anyways, this is Hot Boy Orlando from YouTube. Please like, subscribe, and share. Just for I do a short vlog here. Oh, look at this. It's pretty cool. Check that out. Already on the Christmas lights. Eh? So, just thought I'd give you a little update here from St. Louis, Michigan. Yeah, it's, damn it. Wow. Let's get close up here. Check that out. Damn, this camera's pretty good. So you have to let me know what you guys think of the new tripod. Instead of me hanging on to the phone. All right, excuse the shaking, but I'm getting cold. I'm going in. Please like, please like, share, and subscribe, and give a big thumbs up. Like that. Have a good day.